Hello, welcome to the pet room. Ugh. So, a mystery is a hard thing to just turn your back on. So this pet here, which I will turn on, if I can find the switch, there we go, does display this funny screen. And if you remember rightly, if I open it up ever so gently, push on this chip in the back corner, the screen changes. And I don't know why that would be, but it is. It is what it is. So I have this other machine here. Now this is a rather rare machine, from what I know. It is the blue bezel. It is indeed the old board. Oh my God! Don't tell me I can't. Oh, okay. I got the leg. I've got the leg. Okay. It has the original board. Now I was working on this a long while ago. I did not have much luck with it at all. Very disturbing. It also had a very strange thing in that the power things were not plugged in, and anyway, it was not fun. Who knows, maybe I heard. But anyway, but because it has the same board as this machine, well, I don't believe I've ever taken this back chip out. I'm going to take this back chip out. Now, what chip is it? Excellent question. I'll see if these glasses will help me figure that out. I should probably know what it is. It is oh my word. The writing is so faint, and it's not just because there is dust. Let's see if I... No, it's not happening. It really... I'm just trying to... Well, these are reading glasses, but obviously not strong enough. Not going well. Oh well, doesn't matter. By the way, this pet here, the thing that I think is with it is, I think it was an early thing. Now here's an interesting, there's a thing here. It might have had the same weird power thing as what this one did, but it's gone now. But there's this bunch of cardboard where something might have been glued, and then the chips are running around free. Anyway, okay, I'm going to close this up. Oops. Anyway, so yeah, so blue bezel, no nameplate, full-size keyboard. It occurs to me. Oh, it also has a funny thing in the back, like some kind of video output thing that might have gone to some big screen thing somewhere. So I think maybe this was a machine that was used in some sort of educational setting, and after the chiclet keyboard was deemed to be really terrible, as it was, they upgraded, which basically means the monitor would come off, the base would stay the same, this part of the machine would be swapped, and the keyboard would fit nicely in there. So I believe there was an upgrade kit. Oh no. Oh no. Penny. 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 Come here, Penny. Oh, yeah. Look, it's Penny. Penny has come to see us. Yes, she has. Yes, she has. Penny. How are you doing, Penny? Yes. Penny, we're looking at some pets here. I don't know if you see these pets are okay, but they're not as good to sit and stand on as a disk drive that's nice and warm. They're just not. Ooh, there we go. Another little tuft of hair. So Penny. Penny, yes. Penny doesn't usually do this. Hello, Penny. Have you had enough of this? Have you had enough? You could, Penny, I know you're... Do you want to go up on the pet here? You could. Oh, you're going to walk through? Oh, okay, you've had enough. Have you had enough? Have you had enough? You can sit on that one down there if you like. I know, they're not as good. Oh, watch, Penny, you're standing on a chip. You're standing on a chip, Penny. Okay, I know. That can't feel good on your little foot there. Come on over here. Come on. Get out of there. You can sit up there. Okay, so Penny is going to think about this. Anyway, so this, I believe, was an early school model. Hello, Penny. I know you're back. Penny, I've got to do some work in here. I do. Yes, Penny, I know. Penny. Penny. I've got a chip here to change. I don't know what it is, though. But I just want to see if it makes any difference. Maybe there's trouble with the circuit board. Maybe there's trouble with more than it. Okay, hang on, Penny. Penny. Okay, no, Penny, get your head out of there. Come on over here, Penny. Yes, it's time for a little cat scan. Where are you going to go? Where are you going to go? Which pet do you like today? There's 4 of them lined up here. All small screen models, but not all the same inside. Penny, there's nowhere else to go from there. Penny, there's nowhere else to go. Oh, Penny. Oh, Penny is now going behind. Oh, Penny. Penny, there's kind of room out this way. There you go. Okay, Penny's going to pass by the back here. There is some room. There she is. Penny, come here. Penny, hello. Hello, Penny. I know. You don't really want me to work on this machine, do you? You really don't. Or are you thinking... Oh, there's a chip there, Penny. Sorry. Are you thinking of getting down? See, if I had a disk drive here, Penny would curl up and linger for hours. 4040s, 8050s, 8250s, they all get warm. They do. Okay, Penny, are you going to get up there? Are you going to get up there? What you going to do? Have you had enough? Okay. I think maybe she's had enough. But I'm not sure. She's still back there. Okay, well, she is. Oh, no. Penny. I gotta do this. Okay, so I'm gonna put the leg up here. Oh dear, okay. And now Yeah, this is kind of, I don't like this. It's in the dark. It is in the dark. I'm going to take this same chip, one that I can't read, out of this machine. I'm going to take it out here and have a look-see. And the pins look pretty okay. Oh, maybe I can read this one. Maybe not. Alright, well, because this is the one that came out of here, I'm going to put it over there. Here. Maybe with the camera. Maybe with the camera we can read the chip, but I don't think so. I don't think it's focusing on that. Maybe if I get it just nicely in the light. No, not really. Okay, so I'm going to... Oh, Penny's still there looking at me. With great care. No, I really can't. It's too dark. Penny, look out. I'm going to do something I don't like to do. I'm going to move this back a bit. So I think... Okay, I'm going to yank the keyboard connection. So that then this can lean. I think it's sort of leaning on the wall, but maybe it's not. Anyway, I can see now. So, Penny, don't mess with me. Oh, let me look at these. The pins are maybe need just a little tweak. And then we'll see what we see. Right, Penny? We'll see what we see. Okay, Penny. Not now, Penny. Okay, Penny has jumped down. Alright. See, this is the thing I don't necessarily like about the pet, and that is it's way in the back. That is why it's not a bad thing to get the pet companion. So you can hook up to another monitor. Okay, I think we're in. So now I can put the leg back in. The keyboard connector doesn't really matter. I can turn it on. See if it makes any difference at all. I would be surprised if, oh, well. Okay. It's now sort of in the permanent state that it was before. I'll push on it. Oh, no. There's still... It's funny, I just touch it ever so slightly. Now it's not doing it. Oh, now it is. Interesting. So do we have... It's doing it sometimes, but not as predictably as before. I'm pushing on the board now. Oh. This is very strange. Okay, so I guess what really we need to do is find another machine of these that is working and see what we see. It may also be a time to maybe spray some deoxit into that socket. Maybe, possibly. It's very strange. I'm just tapping it and it switches back and forth. It's weird. Now, could both chips be bad? Yes, you know what? This chip is seeming to be getting rather prematurely warm. Like it's not burning my fingers, but I can feel it. Okay, now I've got my hands on there and it's doing this weird shaky thing. Like it's halfway between Okay, definitely something going on here. Very perplexing and strange. And it's hard to show you exactly what's going on. I will try. So here, when I push on it, it's now going kind of weird. I take my hands off. It goes back to the somewhat stable thing. This takes 2 fingers. Oh, now it's not doing it. All right, so now I'm kind of tugging the chip forward. And then it went back to that weird thing. But it's not as consistent in what it's doing. This is peculiar. Very peculiar. Very peculiar. Let me look in here. Well, oh yeah, that chip is getting warm. All right. The mystery continues. I suppose what I really need to do is move a whole lot of stuff off the far table after turning on some of the old things and figuring out which one is working and which ones are not. The other thing I should do right about now, before I forget things, is get out some paper and write some notes. So I remember later what it is that I have done. I think. All right, let's see here. Oh, now it's gone to that. I guess I should figure out what that chip is, too. Anyway, if anybody out there has any clues as to what is going on with this, I would be most happy to hear from you. So thanks very much for coming. Oh my. I cannot begin to fathom what it is that I have to do to get another machine over here. But I know there are some over there of the small keyboard variety that work. So once again, it's back to the shuffle game. One pet over, one pet down. I already cleared up a bunch of stuff, so there are now 4 machines sitting here. This one, I think, the blue one, will go away. It has lots of issues. I think it may end up being a donor. Or maybe with a different board, I can make it happy again. I just don't know. I think it's going to be quite the operation. I think. Anyway, this is continuing to be strange. So, and is that the only problem? I doubt it. But you never know. Anyway, thanks for coming to the pet room. We'll see you again soon. Bye for now.